Zero Waste Cooking, a Sustainable Kitchen Journey. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and environmentally friendly topic: zero waste cooking. This concept is not only great for our planet, but also for our kitchens and wallets. So, let's explore what zero waste cooking is all about and how we can incorporate it into our daily lives. Zero waste cooking refers to the practice of using all parts of food to minimize waste. The goal is to reduce the amount of food thrown away. This includes using vegetable peels, meat bones, and other parts that are often discarded. It's not just about saving food, it's also about creative cooking and sustainable living. Why is zero waste cooking important? First, it helps reduce environmental impact. Food waste contributes to greenhouse gas emissions when it decomposes in landfills. By cooking this way, we're also saving resources like water and energy used in food production. Moreover, zero waste cooking can lead to healthier eating habits and cost savings, as you use more of what you buy. 1. Plan your meals. Planning helps avoid buying more than you need. 2. Use everything. Get creative with peels, stalks, and bones. 3. Compost. Turn inedible parts into compost for your garden. 4. Store food properly. Proper storage extends food's life. 5. Embrace leftovers. Transform leftovers into new meals. Let's look at some simple recipe ideas. Vegetable stock made from peels and scraps. Broccoli stem slaw instead of discarding the stem. Bread pudding using stale bread. These recipes show that with a bit of creativity, anything in your kitchen can turn into a delicious dish. We hope this video inspires you to try zero waste cooking in your own kitchen. It's a small step towards a more sustainable lifestyle, but with big impacts on our planet and personal health. Remember, every little bit helps in reducing waste. Happy cooking and see you in the next video.